Hello friends, today's topic this month retail investors are net sellers. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. So far in March 2025, Nifty has rallied by more than 6% and mid cap and small cap indices have rallied by 8 to 10%. FIIs were continuous net sellers since October 2024. Even in March 2025, so far they are net sellers by 7,000 crores. There have been net buyers worth more than 28,000 crores in March 2025. Retail investors have been net buyers in stocks over last 6 months. However, in March 2025, they have been net sellers in market worth 9,200 crores. Retail investors flow March 2024 minus 9,500 crores, April 14,000 crores, May plus 11,000 crores, June plus 15,000 crores, July plus 8,000 crores, August plus 14,000 crores, September 2024 minus 4,800 crores, October plus 29,500 crores, November plus 16,000 crores, December plus 11,000 crores, January plus 14,000 crores, February plus 9,000 crores, March minus 9,200 crores. This selling for retail investors in March 2025 is the most significant in 15 months. It is monthly net selling since September 2024 and the steepest since December 2023 when retail investors sold shares more than 14,000 crores on a net basis. As per experts, after many months of negative closes, the rally in March may have encouraged some investors to book smaller losses compared to previous months. It may have been a way of exit for continuous downtrend. Selling March could be also due to tax loss harvesting, where investors sell their loss-making stocks and book losses and then reinvest the next day so that they may reduce the capital gains and hence reduce or eliminate capital gains tax. Since there have been significant fall in markets since September end, there is unlikely to be any major gain in most retail investors' portfolio. Many investors who continuously held onto stocks through the October 2024 to February 2024 downtrend may have sold stocks out of relief when they saw the rally in the second half of March 2025. There are concerns that the tariffs being imposed from 2nd April will bring another way of selling by FIIs and may lead to some more weakness, especially in mid and small cap stocks. We will need to see if retail investors become net buyers again in April 2025. This will give us an idea that they were mainly booking losses due to the financial year ending. We will also need to see if FIIs become net buyers too in the coming months. FIIs have been buying continuously for the last 4 trading days since 20th March. End of the video, here is the question. Have you sold any stocks or mutual funds in the last 6 months? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.